Hello and welcome to this Selenium Python tutorial 7. It deals with Python automation testing with Selenium WebDriver. In this tutorial, we will learn Selenium Python link click, Selenium link text, and how to Python Selenium loop through links. Now let us automate using Selenium WebDriver Python. Here is a Selenium Python example. I have opened PyCharm and created a links.py Python script and written a few import statements, executable path and the URL. The first import statement is from Selenium import WebDriver. We need to write from Selenium import WebDriver to use the WebDriver commands. Next, there is import by statement. We need this import to find links on the web page. Then there are a couple of import statements for WebDriver wait Python in order to wait for a link to be available on the web page. And then we have the executable path where the browser driver is stored, and this is the URL. Now let us write the code. First, in order to use WebDriver wait Python, we need to define a wait timeout. Wait timeout is, let us say, 15 seconds. Then we need to define driver. Driver is equal to WebDriver dot the name of the browser and give the executable path is the exact path above. Then navigate to the web page. Driver dot get URL. Then we need a wait variable for WebDriver wait Python. Wait variable is equal to W is the alias for WebDriver wait above. It needs two arguments, the WebDriver and wait timeout. Before Python Selenium click link, we need to find the link. Let us loop through links to find the links on the web page. So we can write links is equal to our wait variable dot until E is the alias for expected conditions dot visibility of any elements located. And in order to find the links, we can use the by library by dot tag name, and the tag name for the link is A. This should put the links in the links list here. We can print the total number of links in the list also. Print the total number of links is the len of links. Now let us loop through links and print the Selenium link text. We can use a for each loop for link in the links list. Print link dot text. This loop is going to iterate for each link in the links list. Let us run this script to see how Python Selenium loop through links. Right click and run links. Selenium WebDriver has opened the browser. Selenium WebDriver has opened the web page. Let us switch to PyCharm. It is still working. It is getting all the links on the page, and the script execution is now complete, and here we see that the total number of links is 99, and it has given the link text of each link: HTML and XML tutorials, programming concepts tutorials, Java interview Q&A, etc. Now let us choose a link to see Selenium link click. For example, we can choose Selenium Python tutorials. Right click and copy this. Now we don't need all this code, so we can comment it out. So in order to click on a link, we can again use our wait variable. To use explicit wait variable dot until expected conditions dot element to be clickable, and we can use the by library by dot link text, and here we can give Selenium Python tutorials. So once it is on this link, we can call the click command on that. The thing to notice is that if we use the link text to find the link, we need to type the complete link text here. Instead, we can give a part of the link text also. So let us try that. We can use the back command driver.back to go back to the home page of the URL, and again use the wait variable dot until expected conditions dot element to be clickable, and this time instead of by dot link text we can use by dot partial link text, and here instead of complete Selenium Python tutorials we can give a part of that link text dot click. Out of these two, I prefer using the partial link text because here we can give that part of the link text that is more stable. These are the two ways to Selenium link click Python. Now let us run this Python script. It should find the link, click it, go back and again click it. Right click and run links and close this earlier browser window. Selenium WebDriver has opened the browser. Selenium WebDriver has now navigated to the web page given in the URL variable. Now it should click on the Selenium Python tutorials link, go back and again click on the Selenium Python tutorials link. That's it for Python browser automation in this Selenium WebDriver Python tutorial. Please continue to view my tutorials in this Selenium with Python training. Thank you.